How do crypto swaps work? There are some key fundamental ways in which cryptocurrency swaps work, and they frequently differ depending on whether they are off-chain or on-chain. Smart contracts play a key role in on-chain swaps. The smart contract returns the swap token to the user after locking the original token in escrow when a user initiates a swap. Because these transactions are decentralized and trustless, users maintain complete control over their money throughout the transaction, negating the need for an intermediary. Cryptocurrency traders provide liquidity to liquidity pools provided by decentralized exchanges, DEXs. This allows other users to swap their favorite tokens and essentially creates an organic marketplace of buyers and sellers, which eliminates the need of traditional order books. On the other hand, off-chain swaps are purely conducted on centralized exchanges, hence their data is not recorded on any public blockchain. This method allows users to benefit from lower fees and faster transaction processing times. Both on-chain and off-chain swaps have different benefits when it comes to transparency, speed, and cost, which allows users the liberty to choose the method that suits their needs. With crypto swaps explained, let's move on to why they're important.